Hi guys, Attorney Jackson here with a quick lesson or tip concerning Florida law. You do not need a lazy attorney. In the state of Florida, we have what you call stand your ground statutes. That's what they refer to as. They increase a person's rights and decrease the amount of de-escalation requirements that a person has when it comes to self-defense. There's no more duty to retreat. You can meet force with force as long as it's proportionate and as long as you have a reasonable fear that the force that you're applying is needed to avoid serious bodily harm or death. Now, these laws are so important because they give the defense an ability to have a case dismissed, not to be brought back ever again ahead of trial. It gives you a chance to put the facts and evidence before a judge uh, in court live against the state and have this case done and over with before trial without the risk, the expense, the time, and the stress of a trial. If your attorney is willing to file this motion, do the preparation, and fight it out on these issues. Now, if I've seen where attorneys with certain individuals and certain clients don't even bother to file the motion and don't even bother to discuss it with the client, and that's terrible. So if you find yourself in a situation where you needed to defend yourself and this has not been discussed with you and this route hasn't been, this is a chance, this is a bite at the apple that you'll never get again. And you need to make sure you take every step possible to protect your freedom. So stand your ground. It applies to all of us, not just George Zimmerman. If you act reasonably and within the confines of that statute, you might as well put it to use to the best of the extent that you can. Make sure you're not being represented by a lazy attorney who won't even bother to file this motion and fight for you. That's all I got.